good. Neutral, liquid pH, code red over there. Regular powdered, code red over there. Oh yeah, that's gooey. Still, I'm just gonna yep. Powdered code red with liquid code red as the booster, this side first. I'm adding one more test area a little bit with what I have in here, and then powdered code red and the liquid code red as a booster. It should be powdered code red in here. Well, let's find out. I'm going to use it pretty liberally. Now doing some testing with... That's something ooey gooey. I guess that's taken out whatever it was a bit. Can't remember if I spread out a little bit up there or not. It kind of looks like peanut butter, but it's not. Rinse number 2. So what if I go over this another time? Hey everybody, welcome to Saiger Steam Clean. Welcome to the channel. So that video that I'm going to put out right now is going to be old school Mark Saiger with just my cell phone. So it's going to be from point of view, as you call it. Kids call it. I don't know, it's older people. But anyway, you're going to be looking at the wand a lot of times. I didn't intend on really doing a video here, but I had an opportunity to do some testing. You've been watching it. There have been suggestions on how to test you'd like to do, and I do those, but I don't show them on video. So I showed a little more of that today, how I do some of the testing. This here is just a product we're working on. Never know if it's ever going to do anything, and so I just wanted to put it up on the channel. Also, I'm not sure if I told you how crazy dirty this is. It's never been clean. It's an olefin, it loves oil, and this place is like a workshop and for mining. It is craziness, so there's challenges here. I'll see you at the end. All right, I'm gonna do some more testing of the version 3 of Liquid Code Red. Got an incident here in an olefin carpet. So I'm going to just try some patches and do some testing for you. This is Code Red, no G-force booster. Just the Code Red by itself, in the powdered form of course, and about 500 PSI I'm putting it down. This segment I'll use the Liquid Code Red. Liquid Code Red with hot water. My unit's priming up here a little bit, so it's not putting it out quite as hard. Let me fix that. I'll be right back. Taking a little longer, an inline sprayer puts things out a lot more forcefully and quicker. That's why I do like those. Get that on there, it's interesting. We'll see what it'll do. It's gonna be our test area. I'm adding one more test area a little bit with what I have in here because I'm gonna run out. I'm really saving it to make sure I get a chance to use up these test batches and see what we've got. So there, it's starting to go low. So this is the powdered Code Red. Again, no G-force booster. That is neutral pH, by the way. This is in the 12-ish range, so she's got some oomph to her. I'm trying to heat it up, and this is just the deep blue rinse I'm running through here at the moment. Kind of give us a little baseline too. So it's not cleaning up too bad with just the deep blue rinse going through the line. All right, give us the baseline. All right, here we go, Code Red. This is the powdered Code Red. You see what it'll do up here without. That kind of shows you without any free spray. Of course, we just took that out with the powdered Code Red. I'm going to do 2 passes on it. I was a little more in that spotted area. Yeah, it's wand chatter. It's an olefin. I guarantee you'll get some wand chatter. Dry pass. All right, I'll come back here. Right in here is the neutral pH. Start getting into some of the soils. There'll be a determination of. Oh, that isn't too bad. Keep in mind, this is neutral pH. There's the heat finally. Butlers don't get no heat, I know. I've heard it. Okay, that did it. 2 passes. All right, dry pass. Go take a look at that from all angles. Lighting is so-so. bad. Still, maybe a little brighter. There is an Oxy in it. All right. Neutral liquid pH, Code Red over there. Regular powdered Code Red over there. All right. This has a little more light here. You know, that's disrespectful. These olefins will get drowning in certain pathways. Yeah, it's pulling dirt and soils really well. Those spill stains, whatever they were, I was a little worried they were grease. They'd come out. All right, so a dry pass on them. That was 2 cleaning passes. Here we go. There should be powdered Code Red in here. There's quite a bit of soils in here. All right. Oops, a little over there. All right, it's kind of a mess. But in person, it's a little brighter. Not quite as bright, but a little better, I think. Can't remember if I spread out a little bit up there or not. I think up here I did with powdered Code Red. A little bit. I'm going to hit her some more. So what if I go over this another time? I'm extracting out more soils. I think the Oxy section over there with the Code Red powder makes it a little brighter. Now doing some testing with liquid Code Red as a booster in the powdered Code Red. So again, powdered Code Red, liquid Code Red as a booster, which is another goal. I'm going to get it on there. Again, the electric sprayer maybe takes a little more time to apply. You want to get these fibers wetted down well so it can work. This is powdered Code Red in G-Force booster. So a little comparison to the current booster product. Get that up there. I'm going to go a little wider here because I kind of snuck in, I think, a little bit into that area. Right now in this time span, that's been down longer dwelling. But this is already getting brighter. Again, I'll test it to the Oxy, which that's still got Oxy in it, but for some reason, G-Force booster may be helping suspend it a little quicker. I don't know. Could be lighting. But right there, in person, it's a little brighter. Powdered Code Red with liquid Code Red is the booster. This side first. Pulling a lot of soils. I can see up there in the window. We'll do 2 passes. With the G-Force booster in the powdered Code Red. Works really good. Does help on this olefin, the G-Force booster, that's for sure. All right, well, it's still pulling soils, but I think it's brighter. It just appears to be brighter on that side. Going over the liquid code red and the regular code red side. One more time. Still pulling soils, which I won't doubt in here. I've been in here a long time and I'm not sure if it's ever been professionally cleaned, but okay. That was a little better. Okay, I want to point this out. This is brighter here. Powdered with a booster, the code red on this olefin. Here you can see it's darker yet. That was just regular code red over there, liquid code red there. Much brighter from both of them. And of course, the powdered code red with the liquid booster, it's just helping dissolve those a little bit better. Some weird spill, I'm just gonna, this is powdered code red and G-Force booster on that half. Powdered, that was, yeah, and then powdered code red and the liquid code red as a booster. I have no clue, it's a mysterious stain and it's probably intermingled there. I'm gonna blast right through the middle of it. Who knows, you know, impact of the stain could affect how this result's gonna be. And then both of them are struggling. It don't matter. That's something ooey gooey. So ignore the man behind the curtain. Well, let's find out. I'm going to use it pretty liberally. This almost looks like it's glue. That's quite a bit. But hey, we're going to test her and use it. Oh yeah, that's gooey. Starting to take up, bring some brown to the top. Let's get it spread out. What a mess. All right, well, give me a couple minutes and let me get working on this with 2 hands. I guess that's taking out whatever it was a bit. That's where I'm at right now with it. Coming out. That's really in there deep. Second of treatment going on. It kind of looks like peanut butter, but it's not. So it's still digging out a lot of stuff. It's all the way down through the carpet. I don't know if I'm going to get this perfect, but I'm definitely pulling out a lot of junk. Rinse number 2. Hey, that's pretty impressive. Rinse number 2. Okay, I might just do a little more work on that. Agitate, give a little more dwell time safely, and bet I can get that better. Rinse number 3. There we have it. I mean, that's pretty darn good. Little pre-spray on there now, and try to finish that up. So some Code Red and G-Force Booster. I pre-sprayed this room because I got to clean it. And not bad. Maybe just need a little bit in that spot there. Just finalize it out. Okay, just an update. Powdered Code Red with both liquid boosters just did better. This is pretty bright too. I still think that might have a little advantage. That's the G-force over there. This up here, just Code Red by itself, and who knows. That one has a little more brightness in the bright areas to be. Well, we didn't clean that one, but I don't think they're going to notice at all. There isn't one difference, I don't think, at all. Maybe a little. Not bad for a major desk area. This is all taken care of. That's all taken care of, amazingly. Ha. And down to here, I don't think they'll notice though. Nope. Not one bit. Just no difference. Well, again, everybody, thanks for being here, checking out the channel. We sure do appreciate you being here. And if you've never subscribed, consider doing that and hit the all bells sign up here. You know, you get all the notices. It'd be awesome to see you back again. And thumbs up, likes, comments. And I know this isn't my normal, like, full force, all on video. I've got some more of those coming. Even the greasy, good eating ones you guys really like. Just had to throw up this old school one and I'll get out the real cameras. Thank you for following. And again, thank you so much for being here. See you soon. There's our sidewalk. Well, someday we'll get the concrete poured here. Hopefully before it snows. They'll make it a lot nicer to shovel, which I'm not going to be here to do a lot of that. Careful that first step, remember? That girls. I know I've been gone again all day, haven't I? Well, that didn't matter. They're not here. I think the grandchildren were here. Hey! Hey, come here, you two. Silly dogs. Looking for grandkids' scraps that they leave out there. Come on, Miley, get over here. We say this all the time. Come on. Hey, no, they're not at the beach. Come on, get up here. Miley May, no, stop. Hey, come here. What is going on with you? Is there a dog or something out here? Raccoon? Squirrel. Here comes the super puppy. Come on, Luna. Up and over. Boy, oh boy, are we out of control. Come on, you two, I gotta get in the house. Come on, let's go. Come on, I got things to get done yet. Oh, you two. Do you guys get dinner tonight? Don't matter, you're going after crab apples, aren't you? Little brown cow. The pass under. Okay, you two? I got your attention now. Come on, let's go to the house. I see you. It's a little tall for you to jump from. Come on. All right, let's go. In. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very kindly. You get that a little bit. Okay, did you get dinner? Did you get dinner? I think it's my turn to give you dinner. All right, let me get you dinner. Fogging over, but see y'all later. Right? Say bye, Miley.